Bossing with the scarecrow in the field, no.
For this case, we have the same color here on the right and opposites on the left. And it looks like this. Fast, it looks like this. For this case, we see that here we have diagonals that are the same color, and here diagonals that are opposite colors, and it looks like this. Fast, it looks like this. For this case, we see that diagonally here we have the same color, and diagonally here we also have the same color, and it looks like this. It's fast, it looks like this. For this case, we see that we have opposite colors here diagonally, and the same color here diagonally. In this case, looks like this. Fast, it looks like this. For this case, we see that up and down we have the same color here, and then on the left, up and down is also the same color, and it looks like this. And fast, it looks like this. So for this case, we see that on the right we have opposite colors, and on the left we have the same color, and it looks like this.